Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest tech gear. Today, we've got something special for all you PC builders out there. It's the KEDIERS 570 ATX PC case. Let's dive right in. Opening up the box, we find a sleek and stylish case that immediately catches our eye. The design is a combination of elegance and functionality, and it's available in this striking green color. The first thing that impressed me about this case is its compatibility. It's perfect for ATX motherboards, making it suitable for a wide range of PC builds. Plus, there's ample space inside to accommodate even the largest graphics cards, like the Gigabyte 3090. Now, one of the most crucial aspects of any gaming PC case is airflow and cooling. The KEDIERS 570 shines in this department. It comes equipped with 7 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure. The top panel even supports a 240mm radiator for liquid cooling enthusiasts. What sets this case apart are its unique features. The open design allows for excellent air circulation, making sure your components stay frosty even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the 2 front fans are close to the glass panel, adding a touch of aesthetics to the airflow. Now, let's talk build quality. While the case is mostly sturdy, there are some reports of quality control issues. For some users, screw holes have been a bit of an issue. However, for its price, it's a minor hiccup. Now, if you're into RGB lighting, this case won't disappoint. The fans come with a range of lighting options, and you can even customize them to match your setup. Please note that you'll need a compatible motherboard with a 5v3 PIN connector to take full advantage of the RGB features. In conclusion, the KEDIERS 570 ATX PC case is a remarkable choice for those looking to build a powerful gaming rig. It offers a great balance between style, functionality, and cooling performance. Just be aware of potential quality control issues and ensure your motherboard supports the RGB features. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming.